Identifying the location of the given points in the Cartesian coordinate plane. So yung point A muna tayo. So point A, titingin muna tayo sa x-axis which is 3 and after that sa y-axis na 5. So yung coordinate ng point A is 3 and 5. So yan o, 3, 5. Then yung point B naman, so sa negative 4, sa x-axis muna titingin bago sa y-axis, negative 5. So yan, negative 4 and negative 5. Point C, we have positive 1 at negative 2. Point D, meron tayong negative 2 and positive 2. Point E, so nasa origin yung point, so meron tayong 0 and 0. So point F naman, nasa x-axis yung point. So ibig sabihin meron tayong 3 and 0. So yun yung ating coordinate 3. So 3 hindi na siya gagalaw kasi 0 yung kanyang y-axis. And then yung G, nasa y-axis yung point. So ibig sabihin, ang x-axis niya ay 0, and yung y-axis ay negative 4. So yan. And then H, so yung x-axis, yung x-coordinate niya ay negative 1.5. And then yung y-coordinate is 5. Yan. Sa I naman, yung x-coordinate is negative 0.5 at yung y-coordinate is 0. At last, yung J. So, tingin tayo sa x-axis. We have negative 3 and negative